What's up, everybody? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and happy Thanksgiving to you. Today I'm going to go over the top 5 e-com products I have on my list to promote in the month of December and beyond. All right, welcome back. So we're into online making money here on this channel. Subscribe, bang that notifications bell, like this video if you like the content, and share it with your friends if you find it valuable. This channel is growing and we appreciate it over here. And today I'm going to go over my top 5 winning products that I've been doing some research on. And most of these products are things that you can kind of sell after the holiday season. Once you build up some pixel data, you can probably continue to sell them even beyond Christmas and whatnot. Right now, Black Friday's tomorrow, Cyber Monday's on Monday, and if you don't have a product up and running right now, you're probably going to miss the boat a little bit. I'm not saying you can't go out and get some sales and some pixel data in a hurry. You can, but if you're drop shipping the product, especially from China, then you really got to stop selling probably somewhere around like maybe December 15th at the latest. Otherwise, they're not going to get their products by Christmas, and they're going to start refunding you, and you're going to be dealing with a bunch of PayPal issues and customer service issues, and it's just not worth it, honestly. But the reason I picked some of these products is because I feel like if you can get some pixel data right now while people are in the buying mood, you might be able to parlay that into some nice evergreen sales moving into the Q1 of next year. So let's talk about product number 1 here. This is a automatic mop cleaner I found. And I got the videos pulled up here. Most of these products I found through an actual real news feed of one of my girl profiles. And the good thing is that these spy tools, I use DropPoint. That's one of them. I'll put a link for DropPoint below as well. And DropPoint had some of these products in their software as well. So for $5 a month, DropPoint, it's a no-brainer. It's an affiliate link, but obviously it's a small commission. It's only $5 a month tool. But notice this video had this was a self-cleaning mop one, and notice this one had 1.9 million views. So this one went pretty viral. Okay, 309 comments, 848 shares. Definitely a viral video. I think this one is still maybe a little bit untapped. 1.9 million views is a lot, but it's not like ridiculous. It's not like it's gone all over Facebook yet. So this one definitely shows a lot of potential for me here. It looks like the video is pretty simple to make and whatnot. I do put together what I do here is I put together like a blog post on my blog. I actually have a series I started, okay? And I put together like a winning blog post here. This is my number 1 product. And I put together like all the targeting that I would try, how I would set up the ads, and the budgets and whatnot. This is like what I would try to start out. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work, but you can kind of hone in on the targeting a little bit. And if you get it right, then it's going to work. If not, then you're going to have to keep testing more things. The cold targeting that you're using is just a test, okay? You don't know for sure if it's going to work, but I gave some samples of some images and ads I would use, etc. So I put together a really nice series on my blog, marketingmeathead.com. I'll link that below. I'll actually put a link to this product on my blog as well. And if you want to go check that out and read what I've got going on here, it is some valuable content. So I'm going to do a series now starting. I'm going to try to get out like maybe 1 product a week onto my blog, and then maybe once a month I'll do a video like this. If you guys like the content, leave me a comment below. Okay. All right, so let's get on to product number 2. Again, this is like an evergreen type of product. I think it'll sell past Christmas. It'll sell year round if you can get it working. It's cool. It look cool. I feel like everybody needs this in their house, and that's one of the reasons why I chose it. All right, let's go on to the next one. All right, top winning product number 2. If my mouse would cooperate here. It's not really cooperating. There we go. All right, so this is a skin tightening device. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen the laser hair removal thing. It's called Hey Silky, and then there's a bunch of other knockoffs. I'm sure Hey Silky's not even a real brand too. But this is similar to that, but it's not quite the same. This isn't like laser hair removal. But this one definitely 111 comments, 478 likes and whatnot. The video went pretty viral. Let's see how many views it had on this one. There's a number of different videos. This one has 426K views, but I know there's a lot of other videos out there. This isn't the only one I've seen. So this one definitely went is going pretty viral, but they did a nice job with the sciencey images there. Definitely consider doing this for the Christmas holiday and then beyond as well. It's more like an evergreen type of product. Everybody's going to want to have better looking, younger appearing skin. That's a no-brainer on Facebook if you can get away with without doing anything that is against the terms of service. That's definitely going to be a winning product for you. The Skin Tighten device. And again, I have a winning product number 2. If you go onto my blog here, and we do, I think I put together like in the ecom product review, and all my winning products are here. Okay, so you can also go over to categories and then look at the winning products here. You can see the skin tightening device. Okay, I did a whole write-up on that, targeting everything. Okay, pretty useful stuff, guys. So I hope you guys appreciate all this extra work we're putting in here to show you guys what we would do to start off some of these products. Now, at the end of this video, if you stick around to the end, I'm going to have you leave me a comment below and guess which product we are getting ready to test. Not all these are going to be tested by me. I may test them all eventually, but by the time you set up a video, the creatives, the landing page, if you're going to run a funnel, you're going to run a Shopify store, there's quite a bit of work involved. So I don't have time to test like every single product I'm showing you. I'm just showing you the ones that if I were to have time, I would test these. Okay, I think they're going to be all pretty winning products just based on the viral videos I'm finding. They're going to be winning products, and I definitely am going to be testing one of these, and it's your job at the end to pick which one in the comments below. All right, so product number 4 here is number 3. There we go. This is like a drone copter. Okay, now I saw this pop up when the video was like brand new, and I haven't seen much with it since. But it's like this kind of like droney thing. This one doesn't have a lot of action on this particular video, but I just think that this type of thing would be a really cool gift for somebody. Like it's just like a hand-controlled drone. It looks like of some sort. I just thought this is something that people would want to see on Facebook. Like it looked cool, like different. It's unique. You kind of control it with your hand. I really felt like this would be a big hit for Christmas. So if you get this up and running in the next couple of days here, you might have a shot with this one. Again, it's this particular one didn't have a viral video that I found, but I think it has the potential to go viral just based on what I'm seeing. I thought it was pretty cool. Sometimes you just gotta go with your gut, on these products. I mean, not always do you have to find a viral video to actually find a product. Someone is advertising it. Someone felt the same way I was feeling. So, you go in and you definitely consider that. So go in, your ecom product review here on my blog, and this one's going to be under product number 4, and this was going to be the quadcopter. I called it. I don't even know what the heck it's called, but it just looks cool. I mean, these guys are playing around with it in their house inside. It's probably really light and small. It just looked like something that, like, if I was a kid, I would like to get that gift. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I'd set up the targeting. Definitely target the parents with teenagers and whatnot, maybe even some grandparents, seniors and whatnot. That's a good gift. But again, you're going to want to make sure that this thing gets shipped out in time to get there for Christmas, because if it doesn't, they're going to want a refund, and it's going to be a big headache. So just make sure that that's the case. All right, let's move on to product number 4. All right, and I don't know to spill the beans there. Oops. All right, there's the this is a harmonic drum. Okay, now this one was pretty viral. This one went way more viral than I would have expected. In fact, I saw this ad, and this one I did find in Drop Point as well. I actually saw it on my feed, one of my girl feeds, and then I saw it in Drop Point as well. So it just goes to show that tool, Drop Point, is really working really well. And by the way, I keep like a spreadsheet, and you guys should do this too. If you're using Drop Point here, here's my spreadsheet here. Like, there's the Alloy Tongue Drum. I keep the fan page, the store, the video, how many views it's got, how many comments, how many shares, how many likes, the Facebook ads library, and I keep all that in a nice spreadsheet with like little tabs on the bottom here. So basically, anytime I need to go back and reference something, I can do it quickly. I don't like wasting time. And if I need to go back and see, the fan page, or I want to go see the ads are running right now, I'll go back and click on the ads. And if I'm going to run this, I want to be able to access that information really quickly. So I highly suggest you come up with like a Google Doc that you can share with your team when you're doing your product research. And when you find something you like, put it in the doc so all the information is readily accessible. Okay. But let's take a look at this one, man. This thing just really went absolutely insanely viral. 7.6K comments, 29K shares. I mean, that insanity. And it's a really simple video. Let me click on the actual video to expand, and I'll show you how many, let's see, we had, how many views on this thing? 7.9 million views. So this is a winner. Okay, this could be worldwide likely. This is the kind of thing that you might want to sell to, like, people that are in maybe, Asian, that are into like the it's a culture thing with these drums and stuff. I've seen, Asian people play these like type of drums and stuff. I think it might do well over in some of those type of countries. But it could do well in the U.S. to the right targeting. So again, I did put a number 4 on my ecom product review here, and I went ahead and set up what I would set up for my targeting on my testing. There's a picture of the actual product. All these products you can find on AliExpress, by the way. I'm not going to go in and pull up the listings for you on AliExpress, but you can get an idea based on going into DropPoint and clicking on the actual ad. You can see what they're charging. You can figure out what the AliExpress price is, and you can get your margin in there based on the shipping and whatnot. But again, I got all the targeting here, how I'd run it, what I suggest, some video ads. These are really detailed blog posts, guys, and I hope you really appreciate all the hard work myself and my team are putting in to give you guys this really good information. I'm doing the hard work, finding the products I think are the viral ones that are the best ones to sell right now, and I'm going ahead and writing exactly how I target. So use these. They're there for use. I'm trying to get my blog traffic built up. I plan on doing a lot more with ecom in 2020, potentially even doing some case studies and whatnot for you guys. With some of the ecom products that I'm going to be working on. So that is a harmonic drum, and that is product number 4. Okay, and number 5 here is interesting. Okay, I found this one as well on DropPoint, and the thing about this product is that you can buy these faux. They're called faux leather, Faux. Basically, it means fake leather, and you can buy these things at any like store, like Forever 21 and any store in the mall. But the way that this guy marketed this particular product, it went super viral on Facebook. And I was like, okay, this guy's onto something here. And the reason I like these stretch leather pants is because the way this guy marketed these, I'm going to show you the video here. Let me pull it up. This video here, now watch when this guy markets it at about the 1 second mark, okay? Notice this. Starts out here, he's got like a voiceover, and then he shows like the legs of like a thicker woman getting skinnier, okay? And that is what's selling these pants. It's not the pants. You can buy these pants anywhere, okay? But he's giving the people the impression, and look, he's got the name here and everything, stretch fit. He's giving people the impression that these pants will make them look skinnier, and that's what he's selling. He goes, as far as I'm concerned, that's the sale here, and it's really, really good marketing in my opinion, because I like this offer. Number 1, look at the comments here. 10 likes and shares, 3K comments. Let's look at the amount of videos here. I'll click to expand our amount of views. And I think this thing had like over 3 million views, if I remember correctly, because I was like, holy cow, 1.9K shares, 3.3 million views. So this thing went viral as heck. And all it is stupid black pants, faux leather. You can buy it at any store. But because of the way this guy marketed this thing, it is an absolute gold mine. So, this one I really find interesting because going into the months of December and January, okay, everyone's going to have their New Year's resolution, especially a lot of women, and they're going to want to be skinny. So it's really hard to run diet offers on Facebook these days. You're going to get your accounts banned if you do. So maybe you can play that skinnier angle with an ecom product. Okay, think about that. You got to be thinking about outside of your head. January is a great month to run traffic because everybody wants to lose weight. And how can you make people feel like they're losing weight and still make money? That's what you got to think about in January. So I haven't done the write-up on this on my blog post yet. It's being worked on. So I should maybe later today I will have the blog post done, or even tonight, Thanksgiving night, and I'll go ahead and post that and add the link to the blog post. But the blog post for product number 5 here is not done yet, but I will get to it. So the question of the day is, which of these products am I testing, and am I going to run for the next few weeks, hopefully, if I can get it working? And put that in the comments below and let me know which ones you guys think I'm testing. But I'm going to throw in one bonus test here, or one bonus product. Again, I'm not going to do a write-up on this bonus product, but I found these dumb chicken socks. Okay, look at these things. 65K 65K likes, shares, and 80K comments. Absolutely insane over these stupid chicken socks. I couldn't believe how many views this thing had. Let's take a look how many times this video has been viewed. Absolutely viral video. Absolutely nuts. 12 million views for these stupid chicken socks in this dumb video. But I like this. I like this video, and just because it's funny, it's perfect for Facebook. And I looked on AliExpress. You can actually buy these on AliExpress super cheap, and they are in the U.S. So basically, you can get them in the U.S. and you can have them shipped in like 3 days. So you could actually sell those right up to Christmas. My idea was, hey, why don't we try running these on, like, if they went totally viral on Facebook with that video, why don't we try running these on another traffic source where there's a lot of women? Hint, hint, hint. Okay, and I have one of my media buyers working on that. So we'll have to see if that goes well or not. I don't know if it's going to go well or not. But the fact that it's got 12 million views on Facebook and 88,000 shares, I've never seen anyone share a video that much. That's insanity. 88,000 shares. I mean, I can't even imagine how much like work it is just trying to keep up on the comments on that one post. It's just nuts. It's mind-boggling. But I thought that was great. So, happy Thanksgiving to all of you that are supporting this channel and watching on a regular basis. I do have a lot of regular watchers, and I do appreciate you guys. I'm really trying to add a lot of value to your life. I'm really passionate about that. I'm rarely ever pushing the course that I have. I do have a course available for if you're really want to get into affiliate marketing. Let me know. I'd be happy to talk to you about it. But again, this is pure value. I don't even have an e-com course. I'm not selling an e-com course at this time. I'm just going ahead and I'm telling you guys like what I would do, and you guys can make your decisions. I do recommend maybe going out and getting Drop Point. I will put a link for that below. It will be an affiliate link. It's $5 a month. It's a great place to find really good videos or really good viral type ads. And you can kind of learn a lot from that too. Another product tool I use is called Ecom Hunt. I'll put a product link for that below. Ecom Hunt is $20 a month. At least that's what I pay. That's another affiliate link. I'm an affiliate for them, and they have got a lot of good products on there as well. It's worth $20 a month in my opinion. And another one I use is called Ad Spy, and I'll put a link for that below. That one's a little more expensive. I think it's $149 a month, but a lot of really good ads come up on that. I use that for the affiliate business and for the e-com business as well. That's kind of a next level spy tool. If you don't want to pay for Ad Spy, check out Big Spy. It's free. Okay. Other than that, I am the Marketing Meathead. Happy Thanksgiving to you. We'll talk to you guys on the next one. See you later.